Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Banu. This is bamboo leaf extract. This is the Oro Blanco. So basically, I did a review of their orange blossom version. It was like it's like a cane, sugar cane sort of drink to me. This one is supposed to be light citrus green tea flavors. So let's do a quick taste test. Here's the, if you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients. You got bamboo leaf, you got some stevia, spirulina, pretty much the same exact ingredients. Let's take a look at this. Okay, organic blue spirulina, yep, purified bamboo, natural flavors, stevia extract, lactic acid, citric acid. Exactly the same ingredients. Let's do a quick taste test. Let's see if they actually taste the same. Tastes very similar. I think this one has a little bit more carbonation with the sparkling, but it tastes exactly the same. So, look at this. It even says light citrus and green tea flavors. What? And this is light citrus and green tea flavors. I don't know, exactly the same, pretty much. Maybe, like I said, I think there's just more carbonation in this one, to me. But yeah. I got one more to try out, and I'll stay tuned for next review, guys.